Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. So let's just have a quick look around the box. We've got your usual bit of information on the back, iPhone branding on the side, and then the Apple logo, which is like color match to the phone, so you can see it has this kind of like metallic effect. But let's just peel these tabs off. Bottom one off. And flip this around. So my previous iPhone was the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so this is going to be quite an upgrade for me, I believe. So let's just pull the phone out. First impressions, looking good, but we'll have a quick look to see what's in the box. You've just got your normal SIM ejecting pin, and then of course the Apple sticker, and we have the new USB-C to USB-C charging braided cable. Let's put that back and then get into the phone. So we've got the protective sticker on the front, there's a bit of text at the bottom. Oh, love that sound, I've missed that. Power it up. So if you just have a quick look at the design and build, we've got a 6.7-inch screen on the front, and then you can see the curved edges on the frame, and from first impressions it's really comfortable to hold compared to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. On the right side we have the side button. On the bottom we got the USB-C connector, microphones and speaker, and on the left we got the SIM card tray. We also have the volume up down buttons, and then the new action button here. On the top obviously nothing, and then on the front into the bezel is the speaker with the microphone, and then round the back we've got the 3 camera setup. Can't wait to test that out. Been hearing good things about this camera with the 5x zoom, but this color, it looks, I'm getting a grey type of thing. At first I thought, did I get the silver one? But this is the natural titanium, so in certain light you can see here the titanium has the brushed look, but it's looking silvery grey. And then already, I mean, I have clammy hands, but it's not too bad. It's not showing up as bad as what I've seen on the other colors, but I'm enjoying it. I like it. I am a fan of grey, as you probably can see in the background. Quick comparison between my iPhone 12 Pro Max and the new iPhone. So we can see the shiny stainless steel and then the titanium. Form factor wise, basically the same, but comfortability, I have to say, is so much more comfortable to hold this new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we can see just a difference in the bezels. For me, this is like really good. I mean, there's a remarkable difference between the two phones, and I know the 14 Pro Max had slimmed it a tiny bit, but not this drastic. So I'm going to be using this phone for a while, and then I'll get back with a full review, so keep it locked. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.